Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 car battery tester. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Jump Starter. The Gulu 12V car jump starter delivers impressive 4000 A peak current, making it capable of starting most 12V vehicles, including petrol and diesel engines. Its 24,000 mAh battery also doubles as a reliable power bank for charging phones, tablets, or other devices. The compact design, built-in LED flashlight, and smart safety protection features make it ideal for emergencies. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile, and dependable jump starter that ensures peace of mind during roadside or battery emergencies. Number 2. Jump Starter. The Utri 27,000 mAh car jump starter power bank 6000A is a powerful and reliable emergency tool for any vehicle owner. With its high peak current, it can jumpstart both petrol and diesel engines with ease. The large capacity battery doubles as a power bank to charge phones and devices, while built-in LED lights add safety during night use. Compact and durable, it's perfect for roadside emergencies, making it a dependable companion for drivers and travelers alike. Number 3. Jump Starter. The Attertrip Car 6000A portable 12V jump starter is a powerful and reliable tool for emergency car starts. With an impressive 6000 A peak current, it can jumpstart most 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles. It also functions as a power bank for charging phones and other devices. The built-in LED light offers added safety during night use. Compact, durable, and easy to use, this jump starter is an essential companion for drivers seeking convenience and peace of mind. Number 4. Jump Starter. The Vtoman 20,000 mAh 4500A jump starter is a beast in a compact body. With a peak current of 4500 A, it can reliably jumpstart 12V cars, even large engines in seconds. Its high-capacity lithium polymer battery doubles as a versatile power bank, offering USB-C, dual USB-A, and 15V10A DC outputs. Built-in 3-mode LED light, strong strobe, SOS, and 10 advanced safety protections, reverse polarity, overcurrent, etc. make it rugged and safe. Rated for extreme temperatures -20 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade, it's a dependable on-road companion. Number 5. Jump Starter. The Utri Power Bank 4000A jump starter is a powerful and reliable emergency tool for any vehicle owner. With its 4000 A peak current, it easily jump-starts 12V cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The built-in power bank function charges phones and tablets, while LED emergency lights provide extra safety at night. Its compact design and durable build make it easy to store in your car. Perfect for roadside emergencies, this jump starter combines performance, convenience, and safety in one device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.